How to download and install the Bluetooth driver for Windows 11 or 10. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to download and install the Bluetooth driver for Windows 11 or 10. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, check for Bluetooth in Device Manager. For that, right-click the start icon at bottom left corner of your Windows and then select Device Manager from this menu box. A Windows up here, simply expand this, and here you need to locate Bluetooth. So if you don't find the Bluetooth option here, or if the Bluetooth driver is missing, you won't see the Bluetooth in Device Manager. Simply, if you don't see the option here, proceed to download the device or the driver. In order to do that, you need to open your web browser and search for Bluetooth driver for Windows 11. So let's open any kind of browser on your device. After that, you need to click the search bar and type in Bluetooth driver for Windows 11. You will get access to the result page where you have to select or visit the Intel website, usually the top result. Open it, and once the Intel page opens, you have to locate the correct driver for Windows 10 or 11, that is the 64-bit or 32-bit, and then click on the download button available under downloads. And then once the downloaded, click on the file to start the installation process. Once you have installed the file, you need to simply open, and once the installation and download process is completed, you have to click the finish button. And once it gets downloaded and installed, you need to launch that, and then you can use the Bluetooth driver for Windows 11 or 10. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.